2 weeks ago, I was watching Shark Tank, and the hiccup straw came on, and I thought it was the coolest invention, and I have been waiting and waiting and waiting until I got try not to hiccup, got the hiccups so that I could test it out, the straw. And I really want to be able to test this out while I actually have them and do an honest review. Okay, so here we go. This looks like this, and you suck through it. Oh, it's hard to suck, but that's why they said it works, is because it pulls up your diaphragm or something like that. That's what they said on Shark Tank. But let's see. Oh my God. I think they're finally gone.